Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this video, I would like to show you how to work with the contents and formatting from cells, specifically how to remove or clear it. My sample file is clear, and that is an Excel workbook that you can download from the link that I provide in the video description below. In this workbook, I have a single worksheet, and at the top, I have the name of a company and a link to that company's website, texosh.com, which is my own, and then a list of orders and status, and then notes. I have a lot of things going on here. For example, in cell B6, I have a note, what used to be called a comment, and I might want to get rid of that later. So let's see what we can do. I'll start by getting rid of the entire contents and formatting of a cell. So I'll click cell C3, which has the notes header, and I've decided that I don't want to use that information here, so I don't want to include any notes. When I click cell C3, I see that I have bold formatting that has been applied. If I want to get rid of everything in that cell, while it's selected, on the Home tab of the ribbon, I can go to the Editing group and then click the Clear button. And here I have a number of options for what to clear. At the top, I have Clear All. And if I click that, then everything in that cell, the contents and the formatting, has been deleted. And if I keep cell C3 selected, I go back up and I see that bold is no longer selected, it's no longer active, and of course, the text notes has been deleted. Now let's take a look at other things we can do. In cell B5, I have late and it is in bold. Let's assume I want to leave the word there, but I want to remove the formatting. So with B5 selected, I'll go back up, click Clear, and below that, I have Clear Formats. So I'll click there, and the formatting has been removed, but the contents remain. In B6, I have Attempted, so we attempted delivery, and I also see that I have a note. And if I move the mouse pointer and hover it over the cell, I see a note that I added earlier. And these notes are what used to be called comments. Now comments are a threaded, almost discussion or interaction tool. So notes take the place of what used to be called comments. So if you're looking for them, they're back. They were added back in, but they're not as robust and useful, or frankly as complicated as comments are now. So with B6 selected, let's assume that I want to remove the note. So I have the cell selected, go back up, click Clear, and I can clear comments and notes. And I'll click there, and the little flag indicating that I had a note applied has been removed. You probably also realize that the options change under Clear based on the cell that you have selected. So when I click Clear, I no longer have Clear Comments and Notes with B6 selected because we got rid of the the note that had been applied earlier. If I only want to clear the contents of a cell, but leave the formatting applied, for example, in cell A1 where I have company, so I'll click there and note that it has point size of 12 and bold. So if I go back to Clear and click Clear Contents, then the word company has been deleted, but the formatting remains. And that is exactly the same as clicking a cell and pressing the delete key. One final thing that I will note is how to get rid of hyperlinks. You'll note that I have in cell B2 a clickable link that goes to the Technology and Society homepage. If I want to get rid of hyperlinks, I have two options. The first is to click Clear, and then click Clear Hyperlinks. And I'm going to hover over Clear Hyperlinks so we can read the tooltip. Clear the hyperlinks from the selected cells, but the formatting is not cleared. So if I click Clear Hyperlinks, I need to select cell B1. So I'll click there and I'll move the mouse pointer over. The hyperlink is still active. So I'll go back over to Clear, click Clear Hyperlinks, And then if I move the mouse pointer over, you'll see that I no longer have a clickable link, but the formatting has remained the same. I'll press Ctrl-Z to undo that, and if I move the mouse pointer back over, you can still see the pointing hand. So I'll go back to clear, and because I'm in a cell that has a hyperlink applied, instead of clearing hyperlinks, I can click Remove Hyperlinks, and that will remove the hyperlink and formatting from any selected cells, in this case just cell B1. So I will click Remove Hyperlinks, and I have no more hyperlink, and the text formatting has been changed back to the default for my workbook. This little clear button lets you do a lot of things in Excel, and they make your job easier. If all you want to do is remove a format or the contents, those are the most useful cases for the clear button, which again is on the Home tab of the ribbon. I hope you enjoyed these tips. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.